Hello students, we were discussing about animals also sleep. In that we have discussed the different reasons for which the animals sleep, like amount of food and to conserve energy. The next is animal behavior varies in sleeping time. Animal behavior, about the animal behavior, when they sleep their behavior changes. All the animals do not show the same behavior while sleeping. Their behavior changes when they sleep. It means some animals sleep during the daytime, but there are some animals, we call them as nocturnal animals. They sleep during day and they remain awake during night. We call them as nocturnal animals, but some animals sleep during night and remain awake during the daytime. Here you could see some animals sleep, most of the animals generally sleep during night time, but some animals sleep during daytime. They are like owls, bats and mice. They sleep during daytime and they remain awake to gather or for the food during the night time. Next kind of a behavior category is animal behavior varies in sleeping place. Varies means changes. All the animals cannot sleep on the same place or in same conditions. All animals sleeps in a different conditions or different ways. Like zebra, giraffe and elephants, they sleep in the open areas. Zebra, giraffe and elephant sleeps in the open spaces, open ground, open areas. Whereas leopards sleep on the branches of a tree. Leopards always sleeps on the branch of a tree. Seals and hippos sleep underwater. Yes, seal is the water animal. Hippos and seals, they always sleep under water. And migratory birds. Migration means to change the place from one place to another or move from one place to another in search of food, to escape from the weather conditions, harsh weather conditions. Like we know, in the foreign countries or in the regions where there is a very extreme winter conditions, the birds migrate or move during the winters from that place to the warmer places. We call those birds as migratory birds. So they migrate through the long oceans. They need to cross the long oceans. So while crossing the long oceans, migratory birds sleep while flying itself. Then moles and rabbits sleeps in burrows. Moles are the kind of animals like the rabbits. They are also the having the furry appearance. Their body is with the furs and all. So these animals and rabbits, they sleep in the burrows. Now why these conditions or places varies? As per the safety of the animal. The animal where they feel safe, there only they sleep. That's why it is called as animal behavior varies in sleeping places. Animals sleep in the different conditions. Animals sleep for the different time duration. Animal behavior changes while sleeping. It means daytime or might be it will be the night time. The last is animal behavior varies in sleeping posture. Now coming to the posture. Posture may be of sitting, standing or lying on the ground. So different animal have or they show the different postures. Like I say, horses sleep while standing, and here you could see while standing only the horses sleep, and bats sleep upside down. You could see in the picture only in the upside down conditions the bats sleep. In this way, they are naturally adapted to the conditions of sleepings. In this way, this is all about your chapter 8, searching for food. We have completed the chapter here. Now let's see exercise. Let's come upon page number 34. Exercise. Question number A. Tick the correct answers. First one. An animal which can find its food in complete darkness is a. ऐसा एनिमल जिसको अपना फूड कंप्लीट डार्कनेस में मिलता है वो क्या है? लायन, टाइगर और नाइट जार्स. द नेम इटसेल्फ टेल्स यू नाइट जार्स. Number 2. An animal that leave a chemical trail along the ground. Vulture, ant, honeybee. And the correct answer is ant. Number 3. Vultures and bears have an amazing senses of smell, vision, hearing. The correct answer is smell. Number 4. Bats locate their food by the spatial sound technique called echolocation, vision, sight. And the correct answer is echolocation. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Ants use their antennae to smell. Smell is the right answer. Number 2. The snake uses its tongue to pick up the taste of the object it touches. So what will come? Taste is the right answer. Number 3. Seals and hippos slip under blank. Seals and hippos slip under water. Number 4. Blank and blank have a heat sensory receptor that helps them to locate prey at night. The correct answer is pit vipers and pythons. Pit vipers and pythons have a heat sensory receptor that helps them to locate their prey at night. Number 5. Blank and blank are able to spot their prey while flying high. The correct answer is eagles and hawks. Eagles and hawks have, or they are able to spot their prey while flying high. Question number C. Very short answer questions. Number 1. Name an animal which sleeps in burrows. Which animal sleeps in burrows? Moles and rabbit. These animals sleep in burrows. Number 2. Name 2 animals which locate their food through echolocation. As we know, bat is one of the animal. Along with the bat, whales and dolphins also uses echolocation for getting their prey or locating their prey. Prey means उनका शिकार. So the answer is bats, whales and dolphins. Number 3. Name any 3 animals that have strong eyesight. That have strong eyesight. The correct answer is eagle, hawk, owl. Eagle, hawk and owl. Next question. Short answer questions. Number 1. Why do big animals like elephants sleep for a short period of time? The answer you will get on page number 33. As we know, the size of the animal is huge. Here is the answer. You could see amount in the point amount of food. Big animals eat large amount of food because they need more energy. So they need a plenty of time to eat and digest their food. It is for this reason that they sleep for a short period. Up to this short period is the answer. Next. Animals work hard in different ways to get their food. What can we learn from them? This is the value based question. The answer for this will be, if we consider the example of ant and honeybee, these are very active hardworking and cooperative type of animals or insects. So what can we get from them? Hard work, activeness and cooperation are the values or are the things we can learn from different animals. Hardness, activeness, cooperation. So this will come in answer: hard work, activeness, cooperation. From ants and honeybees we learn hard work and cooperation, because these work according to the work of distribution. And activeness, we can get this thing or learn this thing from the animals like lion, tiger, leopard, that they are all time conscious. So we can write one more property, that is conscious. So we can add consciousness. Next question: how does an eagle search its food? Here you will get the answer. Some birds and insects have good eyesight. They depend on their sense of sight to locate their prey. Eagles and hawks are able to spot their prey while flying high. So you can write due to the good sense of vision. This answer you can write. Next question. Question number E. Long answer questions. Why do different animals sleep for different duration of time? The answer for this question will be quite long. The points which will come under this question are: number 1, for amount of food; number 2, to conserve energy. And for amount of food you have to write from big animals up to the sleep only 3 hours a day. Big animals eat large amount of food because they need more energy, so they need plenty of time to eat and digest their food. It is for this reason that they sleep for a short period. The African elephant, for example, sleep only 3 hours a day. Whereas to conserve energy, some big animals need to conserve energy, so they sleep for many hours. Python, for example, sleep for about 15 hours a day if they are hungry, or as many as 20 hours a day after feeding. This will be the answer. And the last question, question E. How do owls search their food at night? Owls अपना food कैसे search करते हैं? Come upon page number 32. Here you will see owls. The whole paragraph you need to write. Owls are active at night. They are called nocturnal animals. They have large eyes that help them to see even in dim light. They have large sensitive ear openings to catch the faintest sound and locate their prey. Even in complete darkness, they have soft fluffy feathers that enable them to fly in a complete silence and catch their prey. Up to this you have to write. This is all about the exercise question answers. So do your exercise part, write the question answers in the copy, complete your work up to the chapter number 8. In the next virtual class we will begin chapter number 9. Thank you.